Ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore. Ka khot admission nagamta ka nursing but paramedical course. Ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council. Ka buy admission ka badunatam. But she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Kamukam College long kakot admission haki degree but diploma course ban long chef hotelier but QA ban dep khap mania fila ban call haki niki number
UMLA jonga Jowai constituency ba wailat mingki shela ha khat lai tru ujamang aladar postan lepli pat ba ika entrepreneurship style ha Thomas Jones Synod College Jowai but ha ga ju gasni lepin long do ika entrepreneurship awareness program nagbenta ki samla puri jonga ni ka college Hagadiga jingalang lasaki doko convener jongka E-cell u Dr. PMB Rani ka principal jongka college ka Dr. Aidkhar u senior manager jongka EPDP Prime Meghalaya u ba Nathaniel Khar Kongor ki samla puli bakene kai jongka college.
But the job provided. To congratulate the college for another milestone, another achievement and another opportunity, especially for our youth of the region, because this is the need of the hour. Looking at the present scenario, the unemployment, and I think this is the best way, the best approach, and the way forward. So I'd like to once again to congratulate and I'd like to acknowledge the efforts taken by the college. Really, this is the need of the hour. No doubt, as you have seen under the leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister, who himself has a degree on entrepreneurship, and under his leadership, he has tried his level best to create the ecosystem of how we can bring more skill and entrepreneurs, because we do understand that it is not possible for our government or any other government in the world to give government job to each and everyone. So that's why we have tried our level best to give the opportunity for our youth, especially in the entrepreneurship.
Which I will get to a little bit more details in my speech later on. And then we conduct exposure visits and training as well for the faculty to empower them with skills sets that they can further guide the students in their entrepreneurial journey. This e-cell that we start to do, you guys to become government employees. What a government employee, especially in the words of in Gujarat, they call them government servants, because servants means like a person who depends on somebody else for money. However, if you guys become entrepreneurs through this e-cell that we will set up in your college, you will not become job seekers, but job givers. And I hope that gives a little bit of spark for you guys in this entrepreneurial journey that you want to start. My name is Nathaniel Khar. I've had 4 years of work experience with Plie. I've worked with various kinds of startups and entrepreneurs from rural to urban. And I will be telling you in detail later on about the journeys and the difficulties for which you will face as an entrepreneur if you choose to follow this path. So this is just a short speech. Later on I'll give a more detailed explanation of this. Thank you very much.